What it do, y'all? It's your boy Bright back with a new video. Slaughter, we got Quan slaughter against Red Eye Hellcat. He already put an E85, but I got the E85 tank. I don't know how he gonna drag it. I don't know how he gonna slaughter it though. He got drag tires on his car, but we'll see. Unless he took them off.
Poppy, y'all. So look, it's your boy Quan, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, he took them off.
1200 horsepower with HELLCAT radar. I have.
Oh my gosh, 1200 horsepower. Like, that's better than the Demon, like, bro. Like, if y'all don't know, like, I be doing this car channel stuff just for, like, you know what I'm saying, so I can get somewhere to grow. So hopefully one day y'all can see me do my own car content. But until the day I can afford it, we gonna watch other people do it. It's gonna motivate me. It's gonna motivate y'all. Yeah.
I have not slid this car now one day in my life.
I like these new edits, his GTA edits. It's like he getting upgrading his I can't think of the word, but yeah. I thought he was gonna wide body his Yaris. Still ain't do it.
YouTube. What's good, y'all?
Chad, rate the fit. I like the outfit. It's calm.
We gotta ship more orders before we get into today's vlog. So let's do it. Right now we only got the lamb chop out because my Trackhawk exhaust it broke. And I gotta get that.
How?
Make sure we be empty.
Alright, we strictly here for the car content. It's a car channel, so let's go to the car stuff. I gotta change the sensitivity on my mouse.
Alright.
We go Fruity Balloon.
Bro, where you trim, shot? Fruity Baloo? How the hell you get fake names?
Walmart underwear?
Butterfly goes on the C8. Hey, boy.
Bro, we rapping this shit.
Hold on, you said what?
I like to wrap the car. It's so hard.
They telling me I gotta take my wrap off my HELLCAT. Nigga do be
Man,
buying.
he better not take a wrap off this shit, bro. This shit hard. His track hawk will wrap us hard.
What you talking about? Too many niggas, bro.
Even though I ain't created, I just popularized it.
Nah, bro, you created shit.
Yeah,
Remember what you said?
on TikTok now.
I want to get you on social media, but you said fuck Corey.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Your fat ass be lying. Put it on your mama.
See, hey,
Put it on your mama.
you gotta stop that
On
shit.
your
That's
mama,
why
nigga.
that's why they on your ass right now calling that nigga
On
fat.
your mama, nigga.
He
Yeah, that
need
nigga
to stop
is fat.
fat shaming
Yeah,
people,
hey.
bro.
Hey, that's
Stop fat shaming people. Stop fat shaming people, bro.
Who they
That's
talking
the
about?
They used to be skinny though.
Bro, stop touching me.
What are you looking for?
She got scared. That shit's hard.
Just move it over. Don't move it back. Alright.
I'm not gonna tell me this Hellcat not far. He got top 3, top 2 best Hellcats. This shit hard. It's so beautiful. I don't even like the color brown. I don't like the color brown, but this shit look hard. The car that low, he gotta do that? This is why I want to drop my car, but I probably air suspend it because like this is ridiculous. You gotta do that just to get in and out of places.
Say man, long time coming. I ain't slid the HELLCAT in a long time. I don't even think I still know how to, but I'm finna test it out. So let's do it. Alright, y'all. Before anything, this motherfucker need gas. When you want 85, you're not supposed to let the gas. I was told you're not supposed to let it get. Damn, what the fuck? I was told you're not supposed to let the gas get below halfway. And it been halfway right now.
That sounds so annoying to deal with though.
There's E85 station is, so putting gas in the bit right now. But the Cozy Cat, I think, I don't know, they rap hard. But I think it might be time for a new rap. I don't know.
Now let's be honest, chat. Can he get a better rap than this rap right here? This is best rap. This and then what he had on the track out before, those are his best 2 raps. Probably the most iconic Mopars on like social media.
I low key missed the white. The white was hard, I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know. We gonna see. Let me know in the comments down below. But I'm feeling that motherfucker.
You know one thing I want to do? I do want to know though. Like when celebrities or people with motion get cars, why do they always make their cars the same color? Like Lil Baby got a bunch of blue cars. Quan got a bunch of brown cars. Like what's up with that? If I had money to get a bunch of cars, every car is a different color. I'm making them match my outfits. Like why do people match the same color car? I don't get that. I never understood
I'm
that.
not even feeling it, bitch. I'm just putting all the gas I got in here in the gas tank.
Even in GTA, I never had my cars all the same color.
Race car, head ass. That's gonna make everybody mad. Y'all know niggas be hating on Hellcats. I don't care, nigga. Fuck your BMW, nigga. I'll say that till I buy one. Yeah.
I'm about to say, I thought you was getting one.
Fuck your Mustang. Nah, hey, them Mustangs be fast as hell. Yeah, every we can get. Poppy, y'all. So look, it's your boy Quan, you know what I'm saying? We finna slide the 1200 horsepower with Hellcat Red Eye. I have not slid this car now one day in my life. And I haven't slid a car in I don't know how long.
What happened to this Hellcat challenge?
My first time sliding. So yeah, with that being said, let's get straight into it. Let's do it.
You know the crazy thing is he bought this car for his girl and just took that bit. It's probably want a railroad drop car. I need to get rid of my Durango.
That shit loud as fuck though.
This is what I'm talking about. Like, you see that right there, chat? Like, you can't do this in the new Chargers or Challenge, whatever they're called, the 2025 ones. Like, you don't hear the whine, you don't hear the it's just not. It don't hit the same. Like, that shit hurt my dreads every time I think about that shit. Like, you see this shit, like this. If you a car head, like hearing the engine exhaust and shit, like that shit really. That's just a good feeling to the soul. You know what I'm saying? The nigga got this electric car that is. Heck.
Hey boy, this feel like the whole day. I'm gonna walk that whole down one more time. Let's do it. You take a picture too? That nigga know what he doing.
Damn. Hey y'all, in the comments, tell Quan stop telling me what the fuck to do when I know what the fuck I'm doing. Oh hell no. He talking about getting in the middle.
I got a sucker now. He scammed me for $200. It's crazy.
I'm gonna let you warm up first, buddy.
That'd be a hard ass profile picture. I mean, a wallpaper.
All that one wheel peeling.
My bad. Let's do it.
The nigga burn out first. There we go. Ryder Vaughn in the chat, nigga. Come on, nigga.
That was hard. I see you. Keep going all the way. Go all the way. Oh, he don't got it on him.
Alright, let's get the fuck up out of here, guys.
Hey man, say man. I don't got it.
Imagine this an hour video. That's the only drifting he shows. No way, right?
Man. What the fuck? Oh,
Man, I gotta give me a Hellcat. I just love how that sounds, man.
Damn.
I need one of these videos to blow up, man. I need to blow one of these videos
Hey
up.
man, say man. I need to.
He got the gas pump in his seatbelt.
Let me know if y'all think I should get back into sliding. Cause I'm hella rusty, I'm not gonna lie. Like, nigga.
I don't even know why he put drag tires on his Hellcat for. He didn't show one video of him racing ever. He never took it to the track. He didn't race niggas on the street. I don't know why he put drag tires on his car. Let's see out here doing undercover races.
Maybe I need to go back to the track or something. What you think?
Something.
You think we should hit the track? This Friday? Tomorrow Friday, you wanna go to the track tomorrow? If it ain't snowing, we going to the track. Fuck it, let's do it. But yeah, we finna go get some food. Niggas is hungry, B.
Is that it?
I ain't gonna lie, I was scared. I was scared. I was flying, my goddamn glove done flew off in some motion.
Living like a rock star, sleeping further away.
Like you gonna give me copyright for this? Let's skip up.
A whole crew of
No way he playing Lil Baby. Oh yeah, he don't care. I care.
See that little Hellcat, they get the
Man! I'm telling you though, we're good.
go.
We scared.
Go.
We might be scared.
Go. Go.
I know you too. I seen you. Yeah, nigga. DDG. Yeah.
That'd be crazy as fuck, bro. People think they say they know you for being a celebrity, and they don't know who you is for. They just know you got motion, you having it for real, but they don't know who the fuck you is. I would try like that too. It's every time somebody that I'm not.
Ain't supposed to park right there. Told that nigga he can't park right there. It snowed in Atlanta, nigga. I can't ship out my orders, nigga, when it snow up.
Bro, is that the only time this nigga drifts a car, bro?
Yeah. I can't ship my orders. What the fuck?
A little baby ass edit. I mean, a little baby ass
You
drift.
still gonna see that bitch. Shit crazy, but we just stole all that. They head out.
Man. Car look good though, I won't lie.
Alright, man, that's gonna wrap up today's vlog. I don't know why the hell I just pulled over in the middle of the road, but it
It's a good ass picture right here though.
is what it is. I didn't end my vlog at home because guess what? I haven't never did a house tour yet. But if y'all want me to do a crib tour, I will do it. Let me know in the comments down below.
Y'all want to see the crib tour, chat?
If this video get 10,000 likes, fuck that. 12,000 likes, I'll do a crib tour because y'all been asking for it constantly. But let me know if y'all want to see some more videos in the Hellcat. I get it done for y'all. Let me know if y'all want me to re-wrap the cat. I might do it. But yeah,
You should not wrap the cat. Leave it how it is.
that being said, I'll catch you in the next vlog. Until then, I'm gone.
Now I'm looking disappointed though. Like you got an hour-long video. He only drifted for what, like a minute? 2? How long did he drift for? He started at 9. This nigga drifted for like a minute 30. Hour video. You drift for a minute 30? I want my money back. I want a refund. I was expecting more to get more drifts out than that, you know what I'm saying? I want a refund, I ain't gonna lie to you, because nah, I feel away. Where do my drugs I feel away? But you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much the video though. 1200 horsepower Hellcat. Oh my gosh. I know that shit was fun. Like, even for that 1 minute, I know you enjoyed life. Like you real car heads know, like just like really being the car that you want, that you work hard for, like hearing the engine and everything roar, like that shit is, that's the best feeling ever to me. That's my best experience ever, was being the car that I really want, to be honest. But you know, it's your boy Bright. Like, comment, subscribe. Like the video if you want me to get a Hellcat.